Hello, my name is George and I teach Romanian, a language trainer. This is my native language, so for me it's quite easy to teach it. I chose this career because I really like to communicate my knowledge to other people, to feel when they are engaged and they learn new things that I am very proud to teach them. Yeah, I have a teaching degree that I got at the university in Italy. My favorite thing about working with language trainers that I have students from the US. Some of them have some personal connection with Romania, which is the country that I was born, and they have this genuine interest in knowing the language and the culture of this country. I like to see the student being inspired from what I do, from what I teach. I like to know about their hobbies, and mostly I try to connect the basis of my teaching to what they are really interested in, because I found it the most solid way to make them understand what I'm explaining. I would like to thank you for choosing this platform, and as we say in Romanian, I wish everybody good luck, noroc. Thank you very much.